Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Yes, I'm back. Had a little bit of a break over winter, not because I wasn't riding the bike, but personal life, new job and things kind of getting in the way of getting out and doing some videos and finding time to edit and stuff. So yeah, I'm back. So if you're new here, my name's Sarah. I post motorcycle related content on YouTube every Friday. If you like what you see, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button down below. Check back next week for more new content. So yeah, had a little bit of a break. New job kicked off in a big way before Christmas, and just didn't have much time, unfortunately, to both ride and also do video editing. So yeah, loads of stuff planned this year. Went away to Winter Warmer at the beginning of February, a little bit of video from that later on. Away in a couple of weeks, I'm going to Wales. I'm going to stay just at the top of Snowdonia and just for a weekend. I'm going on Friday after work, and then I'm going to head back on the Sunday. So that should be a nice little break. Then after that, I'm heading back to Wales in May, going to see our friends at Motor Junkies. Both me and Sophie are going to take the Tigers over, and we're going to have a few days off-roading with Motor Junkies in Wales, which is going to be absolutely awesome. Then a month later, we're back in Wales again, and again with Motor Junkies, and we're doing a Pride Ride event. So if anyone's interested in that, I'll put some links in the description down below. That's going to be a road riding event. We'll be going on the Tigers again, but that's going to be a road riding event around Wales. For a long weekend, going on Thursday, come back on the Sunday. We'll be at Overland event, so if you're planning to go to Overland event, come and say hello. We'll be out there on the Tigers, so I'll be on my black ones, hopefully be on the white one. Probably be camped with the Weimer group. In September we're heading down to the French Alps. We're going to be doing some gravel roads around there. It's going to be good fun. We're going to be on the Tigers. We're going to be doing some of the mountain passes, and then we're also going to go and do some riding on some glaciers. And then from there we're going to head across Stelvio Pass, across the top of Italy, up through the Black Forest in Germany, and then back across either from the Hook of Holland, or we'll come back across on the tunnel. Just depends how timings work out. That's going to be a 3-week trip all told. I almost forgot, we've got one earlier in August as well. We're going to Nick Sanders Adventure Festival. So again, if you're going to that, mid-Wales, if you're going to that, come and see us. Me and Sophie will be there. Probably be out riding with Steph on the trails at some point during that week. It's a little bit windy out today. I hope you can hear me alright. I've put a new microphone in my helmet, so it'll be interesting to see how well that's performing. So, we've got absolutely tons planned this year. Hopefully we'll be able to get away and do it all. And hopefully you guys will stay tuned and want to follow us on these journeys and on these little adventures that we're going on. Spending an awful lot of time in Wales this year. It's not too far from us, and the trails and the roads are absolutely stunning. Hoping to do an awful lot more off-roading this year. Build up my skills, especially on these bigger bikes, to open up the possibilities of doing some more serious adventure riding in a few years' time. If all that stuff sounds interesting, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button and the bell button down below. Check back next week for more new content. Until then, get out on those bikes, enjoy them, ride safe, and I'll see you again next week.